Okay, my brothers, my sisters, I'm here once again for the info that is happening in Igbo land. Before joining in Igbo land, and everybody keep silent. Nobody wants to talk about it. All of you saw how they killed this innocent boy, and everybody keep silent. People keep silent because the boy is from poor family. Because the boy is not a celebrity. All the Igbo politicians, everybody keep quiet for the way they kill this innocent boy that did not do anything. Now, okay, go back because I don't want to shout. Noise is here, noise is here. Noise. Yes, come back. But go back. Noise. So I don't want to shout too much. Yes, yeah. Now, all of us saw how they killed this innocent boy. This innocent boy went in home and they slaughtered this innocent boy. Asari Dokubo boys, the security he brought in Igbo land. And this is not the first time or second time he hit out an Imo state. And everybody are keeping quiet. This is not the first time or second time. They slaughter innocent people. And after youth do protest, the thing will start continue again. But this one, those security, they use their hand to video this innocent boy without no single evidence. And those boys, they speak Akwa Ibom side, Nigeria Delta State. And they are telling this boy where they kill that you people say that Biafra have 40 states. That what Biafra have is 5 states. But what this young boy and today will be first or second time this kind of thing is happening. Listen, let me tell you people something. I'm not in support of insecurity that is happening in Igbo land. I'm not in support. I'm not in support of insecurity. But Asari Dokubo, you will not use because of you are sending your security, you are sending your police people in Igbo land to fight insecurity. You are killing innocent youth. Governor, you will not use because of you are fighting insecurity or non government and you are killing innocent people. It's not good. If you people are looking for a non government, go and look for them where they did. Make them stop killing innocent people. Now this boy, they have killed this boy. Will not do anything. Now then use their hand if you don't eat. But they don't know that this video will go viral. They video it and kill this innocent boy. And everybody are keeping quiet. Governor Hope on them open arm like this. Will you be happy? Asari Dokubo, if na your son went and kill like this without no single evidence that this boy is evil, will you be happy? Everybody keep silent on social media because this boy is from poor family. Nobody is talking. Oh no, what's saying? Everybody keep silent because the boy is from poor family. If you say this boy now a politician's son, you will see how this case will be trending now. If you say this boy is from this family, you saw how this case will be trending. Look at how they killed this innocent boy without evidence. Only when they tell this boy that your hand resembles people with a shoot gun. Did this boy don't do anything? No evidence. Then slaughter this boy. This boy died. And this one where they video, how much the one where they know video? How much the one where they are doing where we don't know? Governor Hope on them, stop killing innocent youth. Asari Dokubo, stop killing innocent Igbo youth. If you are fighting for non-government, go to where a non-government is. Go and fight with them. Don't use because of you are fighting insecurity. You are fighting a non-government, killing innocent youth who not do anything. I'm not in support of insecurity. I'm not in support of that. Yes, government have the right to fight evil people in the land. Yes, but don't use because of you claim that you are fighting evil people. Now you will be killing innocent youth. There are some villagers in Imo State now. if you are a young man, go that place, if they see you, they go talk say you be biafra. They go talk say you be an government. They will kill you. And the Honest and Igbo, all the Igbo governors, everybody keep silent. If other people will keep silent, I will not keep silent. I know that what I'm doing is risky. Yes. I know that what I'm doing is risky. But open that this boy be your brother. I know that by now you can have back one. If say this boy when they kill this innocent boy, if say this boy and your brother, I know say for now, you're gonna cry. You're gonna cry, you're gonna cry. But everybody keep silent because the boy is from poor family. If say this boy and your brother, you when they watch this video now, if say this boy and your brother, I know say you're gonna cry now. You're gonna cry, they call him, they cry. These people are slaughtering innocent Igbo youth in Imo State. They are slaughtering innocent youth. If you people want to fight a non-government, fight, go and fight with them. Yes, but make una stop killing innocent youth in Imo State. Make una stop killing innocent youth in Imo State. Governor Uzodima, if other people will keep silent, I'm a servant of God, I will not keep silent. Asari Dokubo, if nobody will challenge you, I will challenge you, tell you to stop this thing you are doing. And you people don't even care. You people don't even care. I saw how a helicopter jet fighter bombing innocent houses. Bombing people, innocent people will not do anything, bombing their houses. Why? And after that, they will not compensate those people. Why are you doing all those things? I am a servant of God. Yes, this is the time when the king do honor me hadroma on the servant of God gave me to stop what you are doing. Yes, all the way in the Bible, all the prophets will stand and rebuke the governor to stop the evil they are doing. Other people will be afraid to speak, but the prophet will stand up and tell the governor, stop what you are doing. Governor Uzodima, stop it. Asari Dokubo, stop it. Stop killing the innocent one. Stop killing the innocent one. But before I land this video up, before I stop this video, I want you people to know that innocent blood is stronger than juju. All this innocent blood that you people are killing, both all this security. In the next 30 years, 50 years, I will know how your family will be like. Remember that your children will suffer this thing. Mala, that you that are supporting this innocent youth that are killing in Imo State, know that this blood will fight your children when the time will come. Let me land this message up here. Purpose of them, I'm in support for you to fight insecurity in Imo State, but they are killing a lot of innocent youth. Stop it. If you keep quiet, that means that you are in support of it. Yes. If you keep quiet, that means you are in support of it. Yes. Okay, now Asari Dokubo, if you claim that all this your security where you are sending in Igbo land, you pretend that you don't know what is happening. You are in support of it. Let me land this message up. May God bless the Igbos. May God bless the Igbos. May God protect the Igbos. May God save us. Governor Uzodima, do the right thing. Asari Dokubo, do the right thing. Stop this evil. Stop this evil. And before I land this, before I stop, I saw one of those boys from Niger Delta region. When they killed this guy, they're telling him that you are claiming that Biafra is 40 states. Biafra is only 5 states. Are we fighting Biafran war? Are we fighting Biafran war? So that guy carry hatred in mind to kill innocent people youth under the name of Biafra because of the hatred they have where Igbo dey. May God have mercy. Thank you, my brothers, my sisters. Make sure that you share this video. God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezaguba. Shalom. Jide.